What if your body had a hidden superpower? A natural healing force capable of regenerating damaged organs, fighting chronic illness, and even reversing the signs of aging? And what if activating this power was as simple as changing what you eat? Most people think humans can't regenerate, that it's something only starfish and salamanders can do. But guess what? That's completely wrong. In fact, when we're born, we come into the world with an incredible reserve of about 750 million extra stem cells, the body's raw materials for repair. They get stored mostly in the bone marrow, waiting for a signal to spring into action whenever our body needs healing. Whether it's the heart, brain, or muscles, our body sends out a call, and those stem cells respond. That's the revolutionary message from Dr. Jonathan Reed, a respected physician, researcher, and best-selling author based in Boston. As the president of the Cellular Health Institute, Dr. Reed has dedicated his career to uncovering how food can activate the body's own natural defenses, including stem cell regeneration. He's challenging what we were taught in school. I remember learning that starfish can grow back limbs and salamanders can regrow their tails, he recalls. But we were told people can't regenerate. Turns out that's not true. We've just been missing the full picture. How human regeneration works. Stem cells are like the Swiss Army knife of biology. They're blank cells that can transform into specialized cells. Heart cells, brain cells, even bone or skin cells. When we were developing in the womb, we were made entirely of stem cells. By the time we're born, we're left with hundreds of millions of extras, like leftover paint after remodeling a room. Dr. Reed explains it like this. When you finish painting a room, you keep the leftover cans in the garage. Later on, if you need to patch a wall or repaint, that's what you use. That's exactly how stem cells work in your body. And now, groundbreaking science is showing that specific foods can trigger this natural repair system, calling stem cells out of storage to heal damaged tissues, fight disease, and keep us young from the inside out. Let's take a closer look at 5 powerful foods that can activate your body's stem cell regeneration process. Dried fruits, nutrient-dense allies for cellular repair. Dried fruits such as almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and dates don't regenerate stem cells directly, but they support the body's healing capacity by creating a stem cell-friendly environment. Packed with vitamin E, polyphenols, and antioxidants, these powerhouse snacks fight oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major enemies of stem cell health. Walnuts, for instance, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and support the brain and skeletal system, giving stem cells the stability they need to thrive. Pistachios contain essential amino acids that boost tissue repair and aid the body's natural healing systems. Minerals like magnesium, zinc, and selenium, which are abundant in various dried fruits, play key roles in DNA repair and cellular regeneration. While dried fruits aren't miracle cures, studies increasingly support their role in keeping stem cells active, healthy, and resilient. Including them in your daily diet is an easy, natural way to slow aging and boost your body's internal repair systems. Dark chocolate, a sweet treat for stem cells. Dark chocolate, yes, the rich, slightly bitter kind, can also help your body heal itself. Cocoa, the core ingredient of dark chocolate, is plant-based and rich in flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, which stimulates stem cell activity in the bloodstream. But not just any chocolate will do. You'll want varieties that are at least 70% cocoa, ideally 80% or higher, and low in added sugars. Candy bars loaded with refined sugar won't help. You need the real deal. Dark chocolate supports stem cell health in several ways. It reduces oxidative stress, a major factor in cellular aging. It improves circulation by increasing nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels deliver nutrients to the brain, heart, and muscles. It provides magnesium, zinc, and iron, minerals that are essential for DNA repair and cellular regeneration. By protecting the internal environment and supporting blood flow, dark chocolate creates ideal conditions for stem cells to flourish. Enjoy it in moderation for a delicious health-boosting benefit. Whole grains. fueling regeneration. Through the gut think, whole grains are just a boring source of carbs. Think again. Foods like whole wheat bread, brown rice, barley, oats, and even air-popped popcorn do much more than satisfy your hunger. They help power your body's regenerative engine. How? By supporting the gut microbiome, where trillions of beneficial bacteria live. These microbes thrive on dietary fiber, especially the kind found in whole grains. When your gut is healthy, it reduces inflammation, giving stem cells a better environment to function, improves immune responses, which also support cellular regeneration. Grains like barley and oats are rich in beta-glucans, fibers that enhance immune strength and regulate blood sugar. Meanwhile, brown rice and whole wheat supply slow-burning energy and crucial minerals like iron and magnesium for tissue repair. Even popcorn, when made without butter or heavy salt, contains polyphenols, antioxidants that support cellular health and reduce the impact of aging. Incorporating a range of whole grains into your daily meals helps create the foundation for stem cells to thrive, especially when paired with a diverse, plant-based diet. Chinese celery, nature's neuroregenerator. While shopping at a local Asian grocery store in San Francisco, Dr. Reed discovered something most Americans have never heard of: Chinese celery. Longer, thinner, and more fragrant than the celery found in most U.S. supermarkets, Chinese celery isn't just a flavorful cooking ingredient. It's also a potent medicinal plant. Chinese celery contains a compound called N-butyl phthalate, NBP. This powerful chemical has been studied extensively in China for its ability to stimulate stem cells, especially in the brain. In fact, NBP is so effective at supporting brain repair that it's been approved as a treatment for stroke recovery in China. Clinical trials show it helps grow new blood vessels, protect neurons, and regenerate damaged brain tissue after a stroke. Here's what NBP does: promotes blood flow, especially in the brain, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, protects mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, allowing stem cells to work more efficiently. Chinese celery also offers plenty of vitamin C and polyphenols, two antioxidants essential for protecting DNA and stem cell function. Its natural detoxifying effects help flush toxins, further enhancing regenerative processes. You can find Chinese celery at Asian markets or specialty produce stores. Try adding it to soups, stir-fries, or green smoothies for a unique health-boosting twist. Leafy greens and goji berries. The stem cell. Supercharged leafy greens like Swiss chard, mustard greens, and collard greens, along with goji berries, are nutritional powerhouses that actively support stem cell vitality. These greens are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, which boost immunity and reduce cellular damage. Calcium, magnesium, and iron, essential for DNA repair and growth. Chlorophyll. And phytonutrients, which detoxify the body and support mitochondrial health. Collard greens also contain glucosinolates, plant compounds that protect DNA and encourage healthy cell division. Meanwhile, goji berries, long revered in traditional Chinese medicine, contain high levels of zeaxanthin and vitamin C, both of which protect stem cells from oxidative damage. Even more impressively, studies in animal models suggest that polysaccharides in goji berries can stimulate neural stem cell activity, improving brain health and possibly enhancing memory and cognition. These foods work synergistically to create an internal environment that supports healing, regeneration, and long-term vitality. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or snacks to supercharge your health from within. Final thoughts. So there you have it. 5 incredible foods that can help your body regrow, repair, and rejuvenate by boosting your natural stem cell activity. From crunchy walnuts to rich dark chocolate, hearty whole grains to herbal Chinese celery, and leafy greens to antioxidant-packed goji berries, these natural ingredients offer a powerful way to enhance your body's inner healing systems. Incorporate them into your meals regularly to support healthy aging, faster recovery, and a stronger, more resilient you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips and natural healing secrets. Your body already knows how to heal. It just needs the right tools to do it.